Today's review is on the Tomica Event Special, the Subaru WRX STI Police. This is the third WRX Police released by Tomica, almost alongside with the Aeon exclusive and also the Tomica Shop. If you missed my review for the Aeon and Tomica Shop exclusive WRX, you can always click on the card above. What's so unique about this Tomica Event Special WRX is it's a not-for-sale car. This WRX is the door gift for the recent Osaka and Yokohama Tomica event. To get this WRX, you must pay 1,000 yen for the Tomica event and present your ticket at the Tomica event to exchange for this free WRX. This WRX is also branded as the Tomica Patrol Team. You can see the Japanese police crest at the center of the logo. The rest is pretty standard for the outer packaging box. First impression, it looks really clean cut. It's just a typical petrol car in black and white. Definitely doesn't look like the Japanese police livery for this casting. You can see that the Tomica Expo in gold is clearly labeled on the hood. At the side, it features the Tomica police logo and the marking. On the front, it looks really basic. The headlight is just painted without any details, and also the Subaru logo. The Tomica Expo in gold is a contrast against the black. Apart the opening features on the hood, it also features the suspension, and you can see the siren is pretty basic, similar to the rest of the Tomica casting. The rear also looks very basic as well with painted rear lights. Overall, this is a very basic casting from Tomica. It's a not-for-sale car after paying 1,000 yen for the ticket. And for collectors who collect the Tomica event model, this WRX will be a very nice addition into your collection. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.